Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to enable restricted mode on TikTok. So to do this, you just need to go and open your TikTok account. And after that, go and click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. And after that, choose Settings and Privacy. After that, you need to scroll down a little bit until you find Content Preferences. Click on it. And as you can see, the second option is Restricted Mode. You just click on it. And as you can see, the restricted mode now is off. And as you can see also, it says that limit videos that may be inappropriate for some people. If you find an inappropriate video in restricted mode, report it to help us improve. Turn the setting on and off at any time. So we click turn on. And here it asks to add a passcode to turn on the restricted mode. Okay, we add a passcode. We click next. We confirm the passcode again. And we click on set. And as you can see now, it asks what made you turn on restricted mode. So you can choose anything here and click on submit. Okay, let me write nothing for them. Choose like any reason, click submit. Okay, now the restricted mode is on. I hope that you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in